Hey, welcome back to the channel and to the first video of 2025, and I'd like to say Happy New Year to you. I hope you had a nice break over Christmas and the New Year. So in the first video this year I want to talk about a really exciting development that we have added to our offering in our conversion packages, and this is something that we've been wanting to do for a while. We've been considering it for quite a few months now, and we've had quite a few people ask us about this, so we have now decided to move forward and make this happen, and that is we are now going to be offering a gas-free option on all of our campers, and I do believe this is the way forward, and we probably will make all of our campers completely gas-free as standard moving forward. But for the moment we are going to carry on offering gas because it is a little bit cheaper for us to convert a van with gas, and it does help to keep the cost down a little bit on the finished camper. But if you do like the idea of having a gas-free van and you do want to have an induction hob and a sink rather than the double gas burner and the sink, then you can have that now as an option. But what this means is we do need to upgrade the electrical setup on the van to accommodate the induction hob, because it does need quite a bit of power. But the byproduct of that is that you will be able to plug other things in like e-bikes and things like that to charge outside of just the induction hob, so it's going to give you more capability with the electric, and of course it also means you've got no gas bottle on the van, so you don't need to worry about filling up the gas when it runs out. So if you are interested in the electrical kind of side of things, I'll just quickly run you through what we're going to be adding to the van to make this possible. So on the Explorer package you currently get the upgraded electrical package with the solar and the inverter, so you will still obviously get that with the induction package, but we are having to add another battery into the mix. So rather than having 100 amp lithium battery, we are going to have to put two 100 amp lithium batteries, and the reason we can't fit a 200 amp battery is because they're just too big to fit, so we have to fit two separate 100 amp lithium batteries. The batteries have got 3 years warranty, so they're really good quality, and then we'll also be upgrading the inverter as well from a 1000 watt inverter to an 1800 watt inverter, and then you'll also get the solar panel as well. So it's exactly the same as the current Explorer package with the lithium battery and with the inverter, apart from we're having to add another battery in and upgrade the inverter as well. So it's pretty straightforward really, but having that extra battery does take up a little bit more room. So where you are going to gain the space from not having a gas bottle in the back of the van, that is going to be now taken up with a bit more electrics and, you know, that extra battery. So you're still not going to have a huge amount of space in that bottom cupboard at the rear of the van, but then you do have the bonus of not having to worry about filling up the gas and all the other things that come with that, and having it gas certified and all those kind of things. So it's going to be a little bit safer as well, and we feel that the induction hob and the gas-free vans are the way forward, as I say, moving forward. So we will probably make this a standard feature on all of our campers maybe a few months down the line, so we'll keep you updated on that. Okay, so I also want to just kind of give you a bit of an update on our schedule in this video as well, because we have got really busy at the end of last year. I think I mentioned in my last video that for some reason the back end of 2024 was much busier than it was in 2023. There's been a huge demand for campers. We're having a lot of inquiries, and we're already getting really booked up into this year. And as it stands right now, at the time of recording this video, our next conversion slot is the middle of March for completion at the beginning of April. So if you are wanting to use our source and convert service, or you've got your own van that you want converting and you want it in time for spring or summer this year, then it would be a really good idea to give us a call and have a chat so we can talk about the schedule and talk about some options for you, because we are getting to a position now where we're going to be booked up maybe 3, 4, 5, even 6 months in advance, which is a good thing for us from a business point of view, but it's not so good for our customers who want a conversion doing or want to use our source and convert service but can't get in for months in advance. So if you are really keen to work with us, you like the look of our conversions, and you want to have a little bit of a chat through things with me to talk through your options and get all your questions answered, then just schedule a call with me. If you go to our website, which is highlifecampers.co.uk, just go to the contact page, either send us a message through the website, or you can actually schedule a time in my calendar from that page, and I will give you a call for a chat and we can go through some options and talk about the schedule. But we are now working on increasing capacity so that we can convert more vans during the year, and we are planning to buy more base vehicles to have ready in the showroom, so you can come and choose a van and then choose a package. And we also plan to have at least 2 or 3 completed campers in the showroom ready to drive away. So that's all in the pipeline, and we are working on that. Okay, so they're the 2 things I really wanted to cover. Now, if you haven't already downloaded our conversion spec brochure and you're interested to know what goes into all of our conversion packages and what the prices are, make sure you download our conversion spec brochure, which you can get on the homepage of our website. And I will put a link to that brochure below this video on YouTube, and I'll also put a link to our VW Camper Buyer's Guide in the description below on YouTube as well, and you can also get get that on the homepage of our website. And if you want to know more about our source and convert service and how that process works, I have recorded a video with a step-by-step kind of guide of how it all works. I will put a link to that below here as well, and you can also get information about that on the homepage of our website as well. So just visit highlifecampus.co.uk. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you've got any questions about our new induction package or any other general questions about VW campers, then all you need to do is just send us a message, as I say, or just book a time in my calendar and I will give you a call. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that, because about 70% of the people that watch our videos regularly are still not subscribed. And the main benefit of being a subscriber to our channel is that you are going to get to find out about all the base vehicles that we're getting into stock and also the completed campers that we've got in stock. You'll get to find out about them straight away in case something suits you. And I'm also planning to do a lot more information content this year to answer questions people have when they're going through this research process. So make sure you subscribe, and if you've got value from this video and you've enjoyed the content, please also consider hitting that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Speak soon.